Python Fanatic 2004 Enterprises Incorporated presents Furnace Bully breaks Penny Crygor's glasses / grounded.
Hello, I am Furnace Bully, and today, I am going to break Penny Crygor's glasses. Ha 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 ha. Give me your glasses, because I am going to break them.
No 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 no. Please, don't break my glasses. I need them to see.
Too bad. I am doing it right now.
My glasses, they're broken. Now I can't see.
Take that, you loser.
Oh, grrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr My freaking God, furnace freaking idiot, moron, retarded, bald ass, glasses breaking bully. How freaking dare you break my glasses? Now I have to buy a new one. Thanks to you, these glasses costed me $20. That's it. Go home right now while I call your parents about this. Hi, Ashley and James. Guess what your son did?
Ugh, not again. What did our son do this time?
Well, he broke my glasses. Can you ground him, please?
Furnace Bully did. What? Oh, thanks for telling us. He is so busted when he gets home.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Furnace Bully, Furnace Bully, Furnace Bully, Furnace Bully, Furnace Bully. Get over here, right now. Oh, G-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R. Roar. Oh, my freaking God. Furnace freaking idiot, moron, retarded, bald ass, glasses breaking bully. How freaking dare you break Penny Crygor's glasses? Now she has to buy a new one. Thanks to you. These glasses costed her $20.
That's it. You're grounded for 65 decades. Go to your room right now.
Oh my God, Furnace Bully, why are you crying? Well, I got grounded for breaking Penny Crygor's glasses. Don't feel sad, Furnace Bully, because I am always here to comfort you. Thanks, Bully, I appreciate it. You're welcome. High five.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. That's all I have to say. This is me, signing off, and see you later.